If you've read the slide, you know that the question is this. Find 3 fractions that lie between 7/11ths and 7/12ths. This was given to some students, some 5th grade students, as part of a research project, and we're going to explore some student thinking, but first I wanted you to try it for yourself. And one thing I'd like to reveal here is this. First of all, 7 1/11ths. Remember how we think about fraction is there's 7 copies of 1/11th compared to 7 copies of 1/12th. So if you were to put these fractions on a number line, and let's just put 0 here, and let's put 1 here, because I'm just between 0 and 1 here, 7/11ths, 7/12ths. Now, 7 copies of a 1/11th versus 7 copies of a 1/12th. A 1/11th is what you get if you took a whole circle, rectangle, whatever, and cut it up into 11 equal parts, compared to took a whole circle, rectangle, whatever, and cut it up into 12 equal parts. The more parts you cut up into, the smaller they are. So 7 copies of 1/12 is going to be smaller than 7 copies of 1/11th. So I'm not meaning to put this in any kind of a scale, but let's just put 7/11ths and 7/12ths here and 7/11ths here. Now, first of all, the reason I'm putting them on a number line is I want you to think about this. A fraction is a number. 7 copies of 1/12, 7 1/12, 7/12ths has a location on a number line just like any other fraction that would have. I mean, imagine taking our interval from 0 to 1 and cutting it up into 12 equal parts and then marching over 7 of those parts, 7 1/12ths, or cutting up into 11 equal parts and marching over 7 of those parts might put us right there. I mean, not to scale here, but 7/12ths and 7/11ths are certainly on a number line. 7/12ths is smaller, 7/11ths is bigger, and in between, there's actually lots of fractions. Sometimes with kids, sometimes with adults, they go 7/11ths and 7. There's nothing in between 7/11ths and 7/12ths. And I say, actually, there's infinitely many things in between 7/11ths and 7/12ths. You just got to go find them. Hey, will you please work on this for a minute? No, for many minutes. Work on this for several minutes. Get your own thinking going, and then I'm going to reveal the work of Annie. How did Annie think about this?